It's Modelo time, fool.
It's not Modelo. Send a snap. You know when they say see a chug, send a chug?
How about when you see someone work out?
I don't have time for that.
Anyways, today we're done with the back. We're cleaning out the inside, and we're gonna refine all these little edges like we said last time. So we're cutting this off and whatever else we can.
Get a ticket. You gonna pay that ticket?
It can't be. It can't be that much.
All right, you paying that? Oh. Oh. Okay.
Don't lie. You've been wanting to do this.
What is he gonna put that seat on?
Yeah, just this thing. That's why we kept this seat, just so we can use it for now. Are you gonna power wash or just use the vacuum?
Probably both.
Both?
Hey, you have corners?
No, dude. We have enough here.
Oh, we do.
We actually look. There's some here. It doesn't have the seat belt. I was gonna say. Where's the seat belt?
Doesn't matter.
So I'm gonna set.
Why don't you drive it?
I'm setting up the GoPro because I have points to acquire, and points to keep.
Fuck you.
Alright, we're good.
All this for views? God damn it.
Well, no, we gotta clean it. It's not looking good. Dude, that's a sign. That looks so illegal. How's that? All right.
Oh, let's go to the lunch street.
Go to the lunch.
Oh, dude, get ready.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
And you didn't want to drive it.
I know.
Dude, people are like, what the hell?
What up? I know, I don't want to drive it. Burn it? Yeah, I was like, alright, cool. I got tires, fuck it.
Are you shaking?
Dude, I'm the best. No! I should have just floored it, put this on and floored it. It would have been a
Just sit there and burn.
We don't have tires.
We're getting new ones, so, and new wheels because these are pretty ugly.
I should have drove like this too.
Can you see?
Nope. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can.
You know?
So, all right, guys, we're gonna cap it off there. We weren't planning to even take this out, but I guess you just never know. We got everything else cleaned inside. It was gonna take forever with that little vacuum we have, so we got
We got water now.
We gotta
take the water out.
water out. But yeah, we got everything out. We didn't get to cut this today, but we're gonna get to it, so you guys can see that. We're also gonna work on getting the metal and all the piping, so it's gonna be tough because no one's open right now, but we'll see how we do that. Because that's what's next, so.
Yeah, that's literally what's next. I want to do the front. Work on the front, then from the front, work our way to the front. I mean, work from the back to the front.
We're gonna ask anything from you guys, yeah, legally, because today was illegal, but
This was somewhere in Mexico.
Tijuana to be exact.
Yeah.
No, if we're gonna ask for anything, and give any color recommendations you guys have. We have no idea what color to paint this yet. We still have no idea, so once we get all that done, we have to paint it something. So all this will be painted and the roll cage and everything. So if you have any ideas, please let us know because we still have no ideas. So yeah, I think that's it though.
Comments and what's it called? Feedback.
Yeah.
Feedback, please.
It's a little slow because how everything's going on, but we're trying to get as much done as we can possibly. We would have already probably had the metal here now, but everything's closed.
I'll try and see if tomorrow I can go and talk to a guy.
Okay.
And then I'll see if I can record it and be like, yo, it's for a YouTube channel. Oh shit!
How many subscribers?
Well, we only got
Mind your business.
37?
37, yeah. Who's
37.
counting though?
I'm counting every day.
Yeah, no, we appreciate all the support though and all the views and all that stuff, so thank you guys. But yeah, if you have any recommendations or any color or anything, please let us know because this isn't just our car, it's your guys' car as well, so it's looking good so far, so GG's. Is this a sleeper?
Well, we thought we were done, but no.
Dude, it is quick.
That shit is quick!
What the fuck are you doing?
That was good! Woo! He's coming! He's coming! Yeah, he knows that's good.
That thing is
My brother-in-law's got the same truck, man, and he thinks he can beat me every day, man.
That's just quick! That's too quick!
You guys take care,
See you,
man.
Dude, it's a sleeper.